Hey there! Welcome to another video. Today we're diving into a common problem that many people face when working with complex numbers. The issue at hand is understanding the best way to handle complex numbers in polar form and separating their real and imaginary parts. It can get a bit confusing, especially when dealing with different representations of complex numbers. But don't worry, we'll get it all sorted out. In the solution to our problem, we learned that complex numbers simply exist, they're not inherently in polar form or Cartesian representation. To convert a complex number into polar form, we need to calculate its magnitude using the abs function and its argument using the arg function in sympy. It's important to note that the re and im functions are meant for converting to a Cartesian representation, not polar form. By understanding these key functions, we can accurately separate the real and imaginary parts of a complex number depending on the representation we're working with. In summary, dealing with complex numbers in polar form requires a different approach than in Cartesian representation. By using the abs and arg functions in sympy, we can accurately convert complex numbers into polar form and separate their real and imaginary parts. I hope this video helped clarify any confusion you had about handling complex numbers in different forms. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time,